Jason, the rainy, dreary pattern continues, and just when I thought that at least half of the weekend looked decent, it's not looking so good.
No, they brought me in for an update, Zach, and it's not great. It really just isn't for outdoor stuff with Dad. How about indoor stuff?
You got to do what you got to do.
There's not much choice at this point. The rain will come in for Father's Day weekend. Before that, showers and thunderstorms fading tonight. Tomorrow is wetter inland, better along the coastline. And Father's Day weekend, just have to call it, a spade a spade. It's not great. And I'll get to that in just a second. Temperatures currently, it is humid. You can't see that here. 2 points have been in the 50s and 60s. They've come down a bit from this afternoon. And temperatures, the air temperature is 50s and 60s. So with the temperature and dew point being about the same, you're also going to watch out for some patchy fog popping up. Shower activity has really just kind of fallen apart, the lightning aspect for sure, as this area along the southern coast has really just kind of pulled out into the Gulf of Maine. So I'm not expecting a lot more of the heavy rain that we got earlier on the Portland Metro. You can see what happened here. Look to Portland south now to Kennebunk. It is cleared out. However, heading out east in the Gulf of Maine, it is still raining heavily for the Mariners if they're out very late. Shower activity, the western mountains, that's also fading away. Up in the North Woods, there are some heavier bursts of some rain, also around Presque Isle. And for down east, you're not seeing too much, so we'll just skip over that. Pretty much nothing going on there. Showers up in the Canadian border over towards Maine. The real rain with the warm front here, that's offshore, okay, with this shortwave low pressure system that's headed this way tonight and tomorrow. Really, that's going to do, it's going to spin up and throw rain our way. Thursday morning, especially mid-coast and down east, you'll see that rain when you're waking up. 10 o'clock, the sun is out in Portland, and then the clouds roll in. Wetter inland, drier at the coast tomorrow is what you're going to see. But there definitely will be rain pushing through in the afternoon especially. So that's Thursday. Let's skip over Friday a bit. It'll be warm, more rain, but really it's the weekend. This low, another one, we can't get rid of these things, upper level low, moves up into the Gulf of Maine on Sunday. That's not what you want to see for outdoor activities. It's going to spin, it's going to throw moisture at us, and there's only a brief window Sunday night that we would clear things out along the southern coast only. So it's going to be very challenging to get dry times this weekend. Early Saturday and then late Sunday for some of us. Seas at 2 to 3 feet for the wind, south 5 to 10 knots for the Mariners next 3 days. There are a few raindrops there. Now, I can tell you that Thursday and Friday, it's not going to rain nonstop. So there will be sunshine for several hours, especially along the coast at times. But then once we get to Saturday, and especially Saturday later in the morning, you will notice that the rain will be tough to get around. On Sunday, there are more clouds and showers. Next week, right now, it's not going to be overly warm, but it does look great. I can tell you that temperatures are going to be below the averages by about almost 5 to 10 degrees next week. But that saves on the air conditioning bill, Zach, which we've been saving a lot on lately without really getting into the summer heat.
I'm glad you're saying that because I haven't even put them in yet. And I was thinking,
you got time.
It's the weather's fault, but I appreciate it.
Yeah, hey, there's nothing wrong with saving money, that's for sure.
Thanks, Jason.